Here's how to find your assignments and answer keys on Canvas. First, when you're on the home screen, you should see a picture of a kitty cat. Next, you'll go over and click Modules. So once you click Modules, all of this good stuff should come up. The first top is your AP Reviews. As we scroll down, Unit 9. Now that's new, but that's for next week. Notice the dates. So I'm going to keep scrolling. Here's Unit 8, Integration. Notice dates beside all of our notes. Those correspond with the dates that we did those things in class. I'm going to scroll on down to Homework. Look at that. Test Review Homework Answer Key and Test Review number 2. Optional but strongly encouraged. I'm going to click on that link. And lo and behold, when I open it up, there are 2 PDFs. One is the original paper with no work on it, whereas this one right here that says Answer Key, click on it, it downloads, and when you open it up, lo and behold, there are the answer keys.